I take you
I take you
as you are,
as you are,
loving
loving
who you are.
who you are.
I promise
I promise
from this day
from this day
forward
forward
to be grateful
to be faithful
of our love
for our life
and our life,
and our
to be generous
to be generous
with my time,
with my
my energy,
energy
and my affection,
and my
to be patient with you
patient with you
and with myself,
and with myself.
to inspire you
By you
to grow
to grow
as an individual,
as an individual,
to love you
to love you
completely.
completely.
May we have one heart
May you one heart
and one soul
and one soul.
from this day forward,
Forward,
for better, for worse,
for better,
for richer or poorer,
for different,
in sickness and in health, until death do us part. These things I pledge to you. By the authority vested in me by Philippine laws, calling on all those present here as witnesses, I, L.C. Agra, the presiding judge of this court, hereby confirm the bond of marriage that Emiliano Casirayan Aprecio and Elma Telan Catubag have contracted. Elma and Emiliano, you have come here today of your own free will in the presence of family and friends and have declared your love and commitment to each other. Before your witnesses, you have pledged to be joined in marriage. Remember that the scope of the law has joined together, let no man put asunder. So by the power of your love and commitment to each other, and by the authority vested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife. I ask you now to seal the promises you have made with each other this day with a kiss. Oh. Emiliano, you may now kiss your bride.
Balikan mo, gan.
Congratulations, Mr. and Miss